Welcome to the boat show. I'm Bill Hackett. We're coming to you from beautiful downtown Palm Beach. We're at Everglades today and we're checking out their latest. It's the 285cc. This has everything that you can want in Everglades because Everglades has the quality construction and great performance. So the 285 is the perfect mix of offshore premier center console with technological advancements and simple mechanics. So this Everglades 285 is tricked out with an ice blue paint. You see it right here, and it also has matching engine colors to that ice blue paint. Up front here in the bow, we have comfortable forward-facing seats, so you can lounge up here, relax, or you can take these cushions off and you can fish this thing hard. So there's a table in the floor which you can put up. You can actually use it as a table or you can use it as a casting platform as well. Forward of the helm, we have this nice comfortable 2 seats. Of course, we have speakers up here, cup holders, everything you need for a day in the sun. This 285 is tricked out with twin Yamaha 300s. It's going to push this boat 55 miles an hour. It's going to cruise right around 31, and it's got like an 18.4 gallons per hour running rate at cruising speed. So the nice thing about this boat, first of all, it's premium quality wherever you look. So if we need to get the kiddos on and off the boat, we might have a ladder back here, but we also have a dive door so you can get the kids on or that large tuna. If you have a fresh catch, you can throw it right here in this insulated transom box, and then we have twin live wells on either side, which you can use maybe to throw a few beverages in as well because they act as a cooler because they're insulated as well. There's tackle storage all over this boat. We also have rod storage below. We have a rocket launcher, rod holders, and then we have these flip up, flip down seats. So when you're ready to relax, maybe have a cocktail, you can, or if you need to fish, you flip them up and out of the way. You can fish this thing absolutely hard. So you never know the conditions that you're running in. Maybe you're gonna run out to the canyons and you're gonna be on your feet for a while. So check out this helm seat, right? I can stand up, cruise all the way out, whatever we need. Or if you're gonna relax, all you can do is spin this transformative helm seat around, and then you have a twin bolstered bucket seats. Of course, well appointed. The stitching is fantastic, but how great is that? Hey, if you're ready to watch the kids in the water, you flip it around again, relax, and check out what's going on in the aft end. Let's focus on the helm right now. First of all and foremost, we have the Everglades patented windshield. It electronically slides up and down, so if you need some protection from the weather, you put it in the up position. If it's a hot day and you need a breeze, you can electronically slide it down. Then we have a twin Garmin array. You have your Yamaha electronic controls up here with a joystick so you can ease it in and out of dock. And then we also have a Seakeeper 1 on this, so you get a nice comfortable ride. Whether you're relaxing or running, it'll take care of business. So this beauty has a length overall of 28 feet 4 inches long, and that's without the engines. And it's got a beam of 9 feet 6 inches, very beamy. Now let's talk about performance, because after all, this is an Everglades. That means it's been built with the patented ram cap system. They use 6-pound density foam to sandwich together the hull liner, the hull, and fuse it together for a great performing boat that's both quiet, sturdy, and runs great. No more hanging your lines on the rocket launcher. We have a dedicated space right here. You can hang your lines up where they stay dry and tucked out of the way. So this 285 from Everglades, an absolute beast in the water. Why? It's the quality of build and construction, and it shows everywhere you look on this boat. So if you're ready to fish it hard, you can. Or if you're ready for a day at the sandbar, you can do relax up front, in the back, a nice comfortable head if you need it. Everything you need for a day on the water, whether you're fishing or relaxing.